The United States Department of Justice on Wednesday charged an Indian national, Nikhil Gupta, in connection with the foiled plot to kill Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. In June 2023, Nikhil Gupta, also known as Nick, was arrested by Czech authorities in conformance with the bilateral extradition treaty between the US and the Czech Republic. In a statement, the top federal prosecutor said, the defendant conspired from India to assassinate, right here in New York City, a US citizen of Indian origin who has publicly advocated for the establishment of a sovereign state for Sikhs. While the prosecutors did not name the target, US officials have identified him as Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, the leader of Sikhs for Justice, a pro-Khalistan group campaigning for an independent Sikh state. Pannu was recently seen in a video issuing a warning to Air India travelers. As per the US Justice Department, Nikhil is an Indian national who is an associate of CC1. The department also said that Gupta was involved in narcotics and weapons trafficking. CC1 is an Indian government agency employee who has described himself as a senior officer tasked with overseeing security management and intelligence. The department also said that Nikhil Gupta had previously served in the Central Reserve Police Force. The plot thickens with the involvement of an unnamed Indian government employee described as a senior field officer in security and intelligence. This individual allegedly recruited Gupta for the assassination. The unnamed Indian government employee, as per US authorities, agreed in dealings brokered by Gupta to pay the undercover agent $100,000 for the killing. Gupta believed he had found a hitman for the task. What he did not know was that the hitman was an undercover US agent. Gupta has apparently admitted to having a history of criminal activities. He talked to undercover agents about his past in drug and weapon trafficking, prosecutors said. He faces charges of 2 counts of murder for hire and murder for hire conspiracy. If found guilty, he could be sentenced to up to 20 years in prison. On Wednesday, the Ministry of External Affairs said that this is a matter of concern. This contradicts Indian government policy. Organized crime and gun running are serious matters. That is why a high-level inquiry has been set up. We cannot share anything more. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi made remarks after a senior Biden administration official released a report last week claiming that the US thwarted an attempt to kill a leader of the banned Sikhs for Justice outfit, Gurpatwant Singh Pannu.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.